Let's start our exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Find union of following sets. Students, sets are given to us and we will find their union. So let's start the solution. In solution, first of all, we will write the both sets that are given in question. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. So we will write it. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write it. Now what we have to find union of both the sets. So what will be the symbol of this? A union B, that is union of both the sets. So we will write here A union B is equal to, first of all we will write set A, then we will put union sign, and then we will write set B. Now students, in next step, combine all the elements of both the sets. But must remember there should be no repetition. First of all, we will write the elements of set A, that are 1, 3, 5. Now we will write the elements of set B. 1. Can we write here 1? No, because 1 is already there, so we will not buy 1 here. 2. Yes, we will write here 2 because 2 is not there in our set. Then 3. 3 is already there, so we will not write 3. 4. Yes, we will write 4. So A union B is 1, 3, 5, 2 and 4. Students, just arrange this number in ascending order. So what we get, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply arrange these numbers. This is our answer. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have combined all the elements of both the sets without any repetition. See part number 4. Here in this part, 3 sets are given to us. The first set is C, second set is D, and third set is E. And the question is same, find union of all the sets. Students, here first of all we will rewrite all of 3 sets. Now what we have to find, we will find C union D union E. Now what is the method to find out union of 3 sets? The method is this. First we will find union of first 2 sets. First we will find union of first 2 set, means we will find C union D. Then with answer we will find union with E. Whatever the answer we have, C union D, then we will find the union of our answer with E, and that will be the answer of union of 3 sets. Let's start. First of all, since we have to find the union of all of these 3 sets, so first we will select C and D. So we will find union C union D. We write here C, set C, then put the sign of union and then write D. Now, in next step, combine all the elements of both the sets, but there should be no repetition. IOU, so we will write here IOU. Now, in second set, we have A, we write here A, E, O. Will we write here O? No, because O is already there, so we will simply write IOUA, E. So, students, arrange all of these elements just like the vowels A, E, I, O, U. This is the answer. C union D is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So now what we have to do, we will find union of our answer with third set. So we will write here C union D union E, the third set, union E. So first we will write all the elements of C union D. Then put the sign of union and then we will write element of set E. Now combine all the elements of both the sets. First of all, we will write all the elements of first set. Now write all the elements of second set. But all the elements of second set are already written here. So there is no need to write them again because we don't need any repetition. So this is the method how we find the union of all of the 3 sets C, D, E. First, find union of first 2 sets and then with answer find the union with third set. This is a whole thing.